Popongimania. Today is Sunday, July 2025. We are here in Muri, Ngatangi'ia. This is the Muri outlet under renovations. And right across is our Taro plantation. We started planting around March of this year. And look how beautifully grown they have become. So we've got 5. There's 1 at the end, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It's a beautiful, beautiful day here in Rarotonga. This is, what's your name? Tell everybody what's your name. Say, kia ora ana.
Kinana.
Tōku ingoa.
Tuki uno.
Ko.
Ko.
JC.
Teku.
JC. JC. JC John Cyrus Midiotea. Shh. Okay, I am going to show you this is our mango tree that we planted beginning of this year. This variety is a V. Israela. For those who don't know, V. Israela's mangoes, they grow huge, like in the front of our house. They're really big, juicy mangoes. So we are growing a tree here. Hopefully in the future, it will grow some juicy mangoes and everyone can enjoy it. Our children and anybody who comes by our way. There's Vela and our family. They're here joining us on a kai. Vela, show me your moinatai. Wow, nice. This is our hut that the community had helped us build, and we are so appreciative of them all. So we set up our place here. That's our tables for the umu food. We have an umu feast today. Fresh coconut cream here. Yum. That's the Rimas bakery on that side. Hi, Junior. This is the famous custard pudding. Here's the custard. And the pureni is over here. There we go. Let me just pause. Fresh new right there. Okay, let me take you to our umu. That's Liam. And here's the umu over here, about to be open.
Every day. That's the one.
Anyways, that's our umut. In Mania, there's a beautiful Taro plantation.